Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine.
I wanna be the best. I wanna wake up feeling like I fucking slept. I wanna prove you wrong, that my story isn't written. I wanna be something gold, I wanna be someone different. Wanna turn back the clock, tell my father to be stronger, cause he missed me growing up. And I wanna tell the little girl in the corner of that room, don't lose hope, just be brave, things get better soon. I wanna fall in love, I wanna crash and burn but learn to rise above. And I don't care about success, I just wanna make you proud. I wanna be the kind of person who shows up and sticks around. I wanna stay sincere, but that kind of thing is tricky when you give up all yourself and still the end result is iffy. Like nothing I've created even matters. So now I wanna do stupid shit, I wanna get fucking plastered, wanna get out my brain, wanna shed my skin. I need to find someone to tuck me in. I want you to know that I wanna be better, but it feels like it's gonna take forever. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. I wanna do it all. I wanna stand up straight but have the strength to fall. I wanna tell my cousin to stop treating people bad. I know you think that no one sees, but I've been keeping tabs. I wanna be consoled, I want the world to change. I wanna die when I'm old, and I don't wanna make mistakes that I've been watching all my life. It's easy to do because I wanna be good despite. I wanna go somewhere else, I wanna get super high. Tell you to go fuck yourself, cause shit, I'm doing fine. I wanna go break the chain of what I'm supposed to be. I wanna locate my faith, drop down on both my knees. And honestly, I wanna ask if you'd stay for a night, for a week, or just a day. Always moving too late, shit I've been regretting. I wanna throw my phone, I wanna quit confessing. I wanna cast the blame, but nobody's at fault. Confusion got me building these walls. I want you to know that I wanna be better, but it feels like it's gonna take forever. Gotta get it right, gotta get it right to make today mine. Gotta get it right,